Hi guys, this is Brad from Brad's Trains, and today I'm coming to y'all with a quick little update here. Now, if you noticed in my last video, and my couple last videos, that my layout is no longer here, and that's because we moved. Now, we were unable to move into a new house, and the house that we were living in, that sold. So, unfortunately, we had to move into my friend's basement, and until around late July or early August, we are no longer going to be able to set up a layout, and we are moving in late July or early August. So until then, I hope y'all will enjoy the little videos I have. They're just going to be of my trains running on small test loops and maybe some rail fanning videos, things like that. So I hope you enjoyed the coming video, which is of my MTH Premier Line SD90 It's going to be running with the SD60M sound file on a small little test track that I set up. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see you next time.
Let's go to the office and mark off.